Alrighty, it's the time you've all been waiting for. Time to introduce you to our special guest. May I introduce the one and only Sam.
It's a pleasure to meet you. What are we doing today?
The idea is we're splitting into two teams. Team 1 is going to buy it for Team 2, and then we're going to meet up and we're all going to cook. The idea is we're going to go around the hills and just buy local produce. You feeling confident?
Feeling good.
Alright, well, let's split up.
We'll see you in an hour.
We're at the Mount Barker Farmers Market. It's not the only place we're going, but we're gonna start here. We each have 50 bucks in cash. Me and Jesse are buying sweet and they're buying savory for us.
We could get stuff that's gonna make like a crepe or like a pancake type thing. Could do like an apple stew on top.
Yeah, apple and sugar. And it cooks down.
I'm going to go check out the farmer's market here and we'll see what it has to offer. Obviously, I know it's going to be savoury, right? I think a zucchini. I'm interested to see what Matt can do with a zucchini. In terms of which direction I'm going, carrots are a good start. I'll grab one little head of garlic. Just don't need too much garlic. I've got my 3 ingredients to start with, which is a very good start from the farmer's market. So, we're here. What's this place called, Sam?
This is Eastbrook Farm.
So they've got a little self-serve shack here. So I think we just grab a bag, leave some money, and run off.
You know how we were thinking of making them make some really complicated like butterscotch sauce or something like that? What if instead we bought a bunch of local fruit and they had to make a compote? We have found this little store on the side of the road in Uradla. So that's where we're heading to now. Well, the berry farm isn't open, so no raspberries, but there are pears and peaches and nectarines here, so we might grab some. So the issue is we want to get some nectarines, but they're $6.50 and we only have $6. Hey, sorry, do you run this thing?
Yep, I do.
We were looking to get some nectarines, but we're 30 cents short.
Okay.
Is that a problem, or, because it's all right, we can go and try and get it.
No, that's all right. Look, because you came over and asked.
Thanks so much. Thank you. Just goes to show, being nice does wonders.
I know a good local butcher, so we can go there if you like.
We grab a liver, and then we also grab a cheap cut of steak.
Or even like a chop there.
Yeah, chops could be good. I just don't trust them to only use the liver.
Look over there, you'll see Lowe's Meat Co. Mount Barker. This is where I actually go for my meat. By any chance, do you guys have like livers? Can we just grab like 1 or 2 livers, please? They're less than $20.
We're gonna have some money to play with, I reckon.
Pokies.
So we've driven out to Springwood Farms, and it's this lovely picturesque place. Look what we just found. Oh no, we had a freezer malfunction. Please help yourself to the small blueberry ice cream at no charge. We're pretty much gonna get bang on the 20 bucks. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get a medium Loganberry ice cream and a small raspberry ice cream. And then we're gonna get these $5 frozen berry punnets, and then that's 20 bucks bang on. Then we have 20 bucks to go and get strawberries from Beerenberg and some like fruit chocs.
What have you just secured us?
I've secured us passes to go and check out the actual patches where they pick the strawberries, and big thanks to Kath. We love Kath. Look at that. Look at the colour of that strawberry. Oh, they're so good, dude. All right, well, we don't actually have time to pick a whole punnet. I reckon we'll just head back inside and grab a punnet of the ones that they've already picked for us.
Continuing our theme of international players on the Australian scene, we have some local German rye bread. Nicholas and I are German descendants, born and raised in the Adelaide Hills.
So where have we found ourselves, Sam?
Just someone's house here. They have a stall set up at the front. It's called Well Preserved on Matthews Road, and it looks really good. They sell plants as well. Highly recommend, and we'll grab some stuff. They have a spicy tomato chutney. $8, $7, well spent.
We've finished up our shopping for the day. What do you think we'll be cooking up?
And it's tough because almost all desserts are baked.
Yeah, probably like a stewed up fruits. We can make like a jam, make some crepes or some pancakes.
Welcome. How was your adventures?
It was good. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what you guys can conjure up. We shall not hesitate.
We got her in low rain.
Oh, it's making some noise. Go, go, go. That did not sound good, but he's done it.
Oh my God.
100% fade.
We are at this lovely scrub block. I believe you have bought some food for us.
Yes, so Nick and I have been busy. We've been shopping for the finest produce in the hills. You could probably make like a braised stew is the safe bet.
Okay.
And it's up to you. Take it from here and yeah, good luck.
When I say we went far and wide, I'm not lying. What you don't see here is the base ingredients. What you are going to try and make is crepes with a berry compote. So
I did my research.
Well,
Wait, it
thank
was
you.
crepes with what?
compote, a berry compote.
The fuck is a compote?
Yeah.
You know, we have someone we'd like to introduce. We have a judge. Look, he has seen the assortment of selections. Ooh! And he will be judging our cooking. Maybe. Right, well, I say we get to it, hey. We're gonna try the braised thingy. Our water is boiling, so we're gonna start chopping up some veggies.
Start chopping up my carrots here. Do you have a particular way, chef, you'd like the carrots to be cut?
Edible chunks. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna chuck the carrots in because they're gonna take the longest to go soft. Chuck our veggies in, chuck some more in.
I'm a seasoned veteran. Ready? No look.
We have our
I'll watch
flank steak.
No clue.
Four-quarter chop, that's
yeah.
the
Yeah,
one.
we've got salt, pepper, and garlic.
We have garlic. Oh.
Is the garlic going in there? It all goes in there. Oh gosh.
I'm gonna be completely honest, but I have no idea how to cook this. So we're just gonna throw garlic in. And I'm just gonna hope it gives flavor. What I said in the Kurang episode, go watch that if you haven't, by the way, links up here. The best part about bush camping is that you can just improvise. We have salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Where's my liver?
It's in there somewhere.
Look at that gorgeous piece of meat there. How to cook it and how to actually make it taste nice, that's beyond me. Now let's throw some liver on the barbecue.
I'd like to have a little gander at what you boys are doing. You know?
So we currently have our veggies are sort of getting cooked. We've just taken it off the heat until our steak's ready.
Okay, so you've done something with the liver, which is good. You've managed to create something with that, and those chops look absolutely phenomenal right there. All right, well I'll see you boys in a sec.
We'll see you in a bit. The liver is ready to come off, as are the steaks.
I'm quietly confident.
So am I. So am I. And it's now time to cut our meat up and chuck it in. So we'll catch you in about 10 minutes. Right.
We'll see you click, and then when we get back, click now to go.
We will see you now. So, we've swapped spots.
We have sort of sides.
Magic. Jesse's gonna cut up some of our rye. I'm gonna start serving up. I say that we've done a pretty good job, hey?
It smells good. It looks all right.
I think it'll taste good.
I think so. Should we call the boys over?
Wait.
Boys,
Hey,
come on.
Sam. Alrighty, fellas. We have your braised lamb or four-quarter chop stew. Cheers.
Where'd you get that chutney? Oh, amazing. No, good. I say you've done a good job. I say you've done a
Yeah.
It's
It's like unironically tasty.
Actually, really good.
have to give it. This is in the bush. 8.5.
Well, then I would call that a great success, Jesse.
Definitely.
It's our turn. We're cooking the dessert. We've got a little bit of idea what we're doing, but we'll see how it goes. I'll let Sam start the crepe batter while I just start chopping up a few fruits.
This sort of cooking, you have a rough base, and then you have to do the rest by feel, with love. At this point, we'll grab our full cream milk. Blessed to be in the Adelaide Hills, we have cows everywhere. Need a spoon and an egg, goddammit.
Give it to me, stat.
Now this is what we call teamwork, ladies and gentlemen. You know, those other chaps, they may have cooked some tasty food, but they lacked passion.
Preach to me what you're making.
We intended crepes, it maybe will be more so pancakes. Nick's just pre-preparing the compote. What we're looking for is consistent bubbles, and now obviously the first pancake sacrificial, so we'll feed that to the cows.
It's so thick. Whoa! Hey! No, a bit of colour's good. A bit of colour adds more flavour.
Yeah, caramelization. It was intentional.
It's finally time to start our compote. What I'm gonna do is chuck it all in, just with a bit of sugar. I can always add more. As much as I'd love to let this sit and simmer and thicken up, I don't think we've got the time. So I'm just gonna spoon it on top, I think. We are just finishing our plating ups, and then I think it will be ready for the boys to taste. It was meant to be crepes, but we've got pancakes. On top of that, we've got our lovely mixed berry and apple compote.
Yes.
And to top it off, a few fresh berries and a little bit of chocolate honeycomb.
That is disgustingly delicious.
The pancakes, absolutely beautiful. You did an amazing job on the pancakes. Just the fruit and the ice cream on top. Even though it's a cream, I think it actually might work a bit better. I would probably give this dessert an 8. I'm gonna go with an 8.
So that means the winners are.
I'd say it is the cooks of the main meal. They did the good job.
Well played.
I'm sorry, boys.
The safest thing to say is there are no losers on this one.
I think we've all eaten well tonight.
And it just goes to show quality local ingredients are the way to go.
Oh, for sure.
All right, well, I think we'll wrap the video up there, hey? Big thanks for coming on today, Sam.
No worries, it's been a pleasure, good food, surprisingly. And,
If you want to support us or if you like the video, feel free to like and subscribe. Be much appreciated. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.